38%. Hello guys, good morning. 6 o'clock in the morning, and I'll give you a quick tour of our jungle here. As you can see, it's a little bit darker here compared to where we are. This is, we call this jungle our very own jungle because we planted a lot of trees, mostly fruit trees. And well, you can hear the birds. They're lovely and I'm gonna miss them. This used to be my herb garden, which is now a wreck because this area is not getting enough sunlight. Nothing, so nothing is growing on the ground. What we're planning to do is we have to cut 4 big trees and maybe trim the others. We want to save some just to get enough sunlight. Okay, let's get this rake in the middle. So yeah, here before, I'm gonna give you a quick tour before the tree guy is coming to trim these trees. So yeah, so these are the mangoes that we had harvested for the past few days, 3 days ago. And yeah, we got a lot of trees here. We got lychee here, which is deprived from sunlight, so that's why we need to cut those mango trees. We have coffee everywhere. We planted a few, but then they sprouted a lot and they're just growing wild. And we have a chocolate tree, that's cacao, over there. And this one is lychee, I think, if I'm not mistaken, but it's losing a lot of leaves. That's why we really need to cut down trees. And there's another coffee over there, there's another coffee over there, and this one, I don't know what is this. And here we got rambutan. This is rambutan, that is another rambutan, and this is a lemon tree which needs a serious trimming. Okay, there's another rambutan over there, another lemon, another coffee over there. So yeah, we hate to cut trees, but at this point we just need to cut some because we want to grow some vegetables. So we're gonna convert this area into a vegetable garden. And here, sorry for the mess. We just had our mango harvest the other day, so you can see a lot of paper. So it's okay, they are paper. And this one is a pile of trash, garden trash that we are composting for natural fertilizer. So here we have pandan just growing wild. Okay, there are chicken from the neighbor. And yeah, this is a miracle fruit. One day I will explain you the wonder of this fruit. It will make everything sour sweet. But yesterday I saw one fruit here in this tree, but we got plenty on the other side. I'll show it to you. So this is our jungle. I'll give you a 360 degrees turn. So it's a big mess for the time being because nobody took care of it. I mean, everybody's busy with their own daily activities and we are not here. So this is the big tree. This will go down. Excuse me. And if we walk around here, this is the sunny part. And we got bananas growing wild, and there is a big papaya, this humongous papaya. Small tree, but look at that, bigger than my head. And yeah, there's a lemongrass growing really big. And we didn't fence here with concrete, so I want to convert this into a green wall So I'm gonna start planting more of this kind of San Francisco, and maybe some miracle fruit that will create a wall, a green wall. Hi. So yeah, we have bananas over here and over there. We have papayas going here. We have kamote tops, and this is what I'm talking about. I wanna fence this with all this kind of San Francisco. That will be a green wall. I have planted this before, so I wanna completely I want to continue this one over there and all the way there. And here we just cleared this the other day. Bruno has been cleaning this area. Thank you very much. And this is what is this? Cassava. We have apara. And of course malunggay is growing wild. Look at that malunggay over there. We need to cut that because we cannot harvest that one. So yeah, this is the sunny part, and over here it will go dimmer because we don't have sunlight in here. And there's the mango tree that we need to cut. And yeah, Bruno's checking his organic fertilizer going on. It's what's going on in there? Okay.
Put your hand here.
I don't want to put my hands there.
Put here. Dip.
Yeah, it's warm.
Mm.
So this is a pile of compost on the process. We put some trash, what do we call it? Garden trash over there, and he put some earthworms to work on composting. So what else did we put? Fish
Manure.
Manure.
That's it.
And
That's it?
yeah, where do you put the fish heads and another one? So he's doing a lot of processing, 3 different kinds of compost processing. So this is another pit, and that is, yes, of course, the big trash, the trimmings. And yeah, we are excited, and I'll be a little bit sad because I'm gonna miss the birds, but we will try to put some bird feeders everywhere. If you saw the harvest video, those birds were just there chirping. So that I'm gonna miss, waking up with those chirping birds and singing birds. And this is another compost pile. So we will grow organic foods, and in this area we have jackfruit and coconuts. We will grow some chicken. We will make a chicken coop and we'll grow our own chicken so that we can have organic eggs. Did you hear the birds? I'm gonna miss those. Well, they will be around the area, but of course not that near. But then yeah, I will try to make a lot of bird feeders so that they will still be around. And yeah, this is another mess over here. I'll take you to the other side. Yeah, this is another cacao. That's another lime tree over there. It's growing big. It needs a lot of trimming. It never stops giving fruit. As you can see, it's lime, another lime fruit. They are everywhere, and look on the ground. If you can see, there's a lot of lime falling. So that's because we cannot reach over there. It just went very high. It grew very high, and then nobody's harvesting it, of course, because they're thorny. But we just wait for it to be on the ground, and we pick them up, make some, lime juice, And yeah, very nice. And look at that, we got lime growing everywhere. This is 1, 2, I cannot count. So they're just there, and they give fruit all year round. So we got 3 lime trees over here in this area. Obviously they need a big trim because there's no sunlight underneath. And here, this is another cacao, and that's another cacao over there. And yeah, if you can see, the soil is really rich. You can see those are the what do you call that, the poo of the earthworm seed. So you can tell that the soil is really rich. So those are just composting naturally, a big pile of trash over there. And you know, here in the Philippines, whatever you throw, they will just grow. Look at this one. No, but I don't think somebody planted this papaya down here, but they're just growing, and we need to organize it. So this is, what is this? This is looking like it's coffee. It's another coffee. Those are coffee flowers. Yeah, Arabica coffee mostly. So if you need some seedlings, guys, of coffee, you can come over. I got plenty. They're just everywhere, and we're just throwing them because we don't want to grow a lot because we have plenty already. So yeah, that is our yard over there. And yeah, this is where the mango harvest had sorted the mangoes, and we still have the paper that they wrapped with the mangoes. But yeah, they are biodegradable, so there's nothing to worry about. We will just gather them and put them in the pit. And this another tree over here will go as well. No, I think trim for this one. This will not go completely, and this one is just very tall, and it's not safe anymore because they might fall during windy days. And yeah, that's another cacao over there. See, somebody left a mask from the harvesters, I think. So yeah, this is our jungle, very own jungle. Sorry for the mess, we will work on it. There's a lot of things to do, it's a big job. This is another compost right here. I'm sure he put some earthworms in there, and yeah, just put a mesh around it so that it can aerate. This is another cacao. If you don't know where the chocolate is coming from, it's coming from this tree called cacao. And here we have plenty around. And yeah, yesterday we had a little bit. And this is the coffee. You can see we have coffee beans right here, and I've got plenty. I mean, it's just for personal consumption. It's not like a mass production or anything. But yeah, we got coffee. The birds love them, so that's why I think they're here. They love the coffee. They love our chilies as well. Did you know that they love our chilies? They come for chilies every morning. And yeah, that's our nipa hut where we hang out sometimes, and currently we're just using it as a shed where we put our garden tools. So yeah, this is guava here in the center, losing some leaves because of, obviously, there is no sunlight. And there's one avocado right here. This is avocado, but we didn't have fruits yet for this one, but it's looking sick. I don't know why. The leaves are turning yellow. There's our dog. Oh, hi! Good morning. Oh, hi. Good morning. Oh, who's there? Oh, there's number 2. And the other one is stretching. Good morning. Oh, yeah. Did you hear that? Shh, shh. No, you're not coming out yet. You know why they're not allowed to come here? Because our neighbor's chicken are coming in. So we have to fix that fence. And if we release the dogs in this area, for sure they will kill one. Anything that comes in our territory will be consumed by the dogs. Sorry neighbors, but it's not our dog's fault. So it's your chicken coming in. So yeah, he's checking on his compost. And yeah, I'm gonna miss this. The tree guy will come later to cut these trees. And I'll have a last look before it goes. And I'll give you a 360 degrees turn. I'm gonna miss the jungle. But yeah, this is how it looks like. And the tree guy is coming soon.